Hello students, today you have to start it. Exercise 1.4. In before class I have explained to 1.3 exercise. Yes, then in exercise 1.4 first question is 2 minus root 5. What is the question it is given? It is given which number is rational number and which one is irrational. Okay, which is rational and which one is. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Then first one is 2 minus root 5. 2 is your what? Rational number minus irrational number. Yes, rational minus irrational is equal to irrational. Then 2 minus root 5 is your which number? Irrational number. Then 2 minus root 5 is irrational. Yes. Then same thing, 3 plus root 3 bracket minus root 3. Then 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Sorry, it is root 23. Then 23 plus minus cancel. Then the answer is 3. 3 is your which number? Rational number. Yes. Then 2 root 7 divided by root 7. Then root 7 cancel. Then the answer is what? 2. 2 is a which number? Rational number. 2 is a rational number. The next thing is, next IV number question is 1 by root 2. This is what? Rational by irrational. Yes, rational by irrational is equal to irrational. Then 1 by root 2 is your which number? Irrational number. Is irrational. Then 2 pi. Pi is your which number? 2 is a rational number. But pi is your which number? Pi is an irrational number. Yes, pi is an which number? Irrational number. Then rational number into irrational number. Then what is the answer? Irrational number. Then 2 pi is an irrational number. Yes. Now first question is over. It is given to rational number and you have to classify which one is a rational and which one is irrational number. Then 2 minus root 5 is your rational minus irrational is irrational. Then this one is rational. This one is also rational number. This one is rational by irrational is equal to irrational. Rational into irrational is equal to irrational. Okay, then question number 1 is over. Then see from question number 2. 2 number question. Simplify each of the following expression. You have to simplify each of the following expression. Yes, the first expression it is given, the first question is 3 plus root 3 into 2 minus 2 plus root 2. Then 3 is multiplied into 2. 3 is also multiplied into root 2. Yes. Then root 3 also multiplied into 2. Root 3 also multiplied into root 2. I have already told to you root A into root B is equal to root AB. Same thing, 3 into 2. The next step is 3 into 2 plus 3 into root 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 into root 2. This is the next step. Then next is 3 into 2, simply it is 6 plus this is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Yes, plus root 3 into root 2, it is root 6. Yes, then this one is the answer of first point, 2 number I. Then next it is given 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. It is a plus b into a minus b. What is the answer? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square. Then 3 square minus root 3 square, because this one is a, this one is b. Then 3 square is 9. Root 3 square is 3. Then 9 minus 3, the answer is 6. Yes. Then 3i number is root 5 plus root 2 whole square. A plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a square, 5 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 square. Then root 5 square is what? 5 plus 2 into root 5 into root 2, it is root 10 plus root 2 square, it is 4. Then 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2 root 10. This is the answer. Then next it is root 5 minus root 2, same thing. A minus b into a plus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. Root 5 square minus root 2 square. Then it is 5 minus 2. Then what is the answer? 3. Now the 2 number is over. Simplify. The next 3 number question it is given. What it is given? Recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say C, of a circle to its diameter, say D. That is, pi is equal to C by D. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Means it is given, this one is a circle. Diameter, line segment will be passed from the center, touching from the circumference. Circumference means what? Whole circle. Yes. Here it is written in pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference. Circumference says C. Then this is C, circumference. Of a circle of diameter, say D. This one is the diameter. This is D. This one is the center O. This is D. Pi is equal to C by D. It is given in your question. Circumference by diameter. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. Then you know the approximate value of pi is 22 by 7, because this one is not terminating. Yes, 22 by 7 is the approximate value, not to exact value. That's why you have to write down, in actual the decimal expansion of pi is non-terminating, because this one is non-terminating. This is not divided exactly. The remainder will be never be 0. Okay, and non-repeating. Also it is non-repeating. The different value it is coming, but it is not repeating. This means pi is irrational. That's why it will be contract that fact is pi is irrational. Clear? Because pi the approximate value is 22 by 7. Then the decimal expansion it is non-terminating and non-repeating. That's why pi is irrational. Then 4 number question is given, represent root 9.3, root over of 9.3 on a number line. This is not very important. Okay, this question also you have to explain this one. Okay, then rationalize the denominator of the following. 5 number question is rationalize the denominator of the following. 1 by root 7. I have explained in the introduction part 1 by root 2 how to rationalize the denominator. See, again I have also explained 1 by root 7. Yes, then root 7 you multiply in the numerator, also root 7 is multiply in the denominator. Then here it is root 7 into 1, it is root 7 by root 7 into root 7, it is 7. Then rationalize. Now the denominator are rationalized. Then 2i number question is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. How to rationalize? In root 7 plus root 6 you multiply. How to know? Because a minus b is given, then a plus b you add it, then the answer is a square minus b square, means root 7 square minus root 6 square. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, that's why you know. Okay, now you know, find out. Root 7 plus root 6 you multiply, divided by root 7 minus root 6, it is given in your question, you multiply root 7 plus root 6. Yes, then root 7 plus root 6 the numerator, the denominator is root 7 square minus root 6 square, because a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is equal to root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6. Yes, this is 7, this is 6. Then root 7 plus root 6, because this one 7 minus 6 is what? 1. The next question it is given 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Same thing, here it is minus given, here it is plus given. Then you multiply what? Root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. This is equal to root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 square minus root 2 square is equal to root 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 minus 2. Then the answer is what? Root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. Now the denominator are rationalized. Yes, this is the 3i number. The next is ib. 1 by root 7 minus 2. Yes, root 7 minus 2. What you multiply? Root 7 plus 2. Then root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2. Yes, then here the numerator is root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 square minus 2 square. This is equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 4, because 2 square is 4. Then root 7 plus 2 divided by 3. Now the denominator are rationalized. This is the exercise 1.4. The next, laws of exponent on a real numbers, the exercise 1.5. Yes, what it is given? Exercise first question. Find 64 whole to the power 1 by 2. You know 8 square is 64 into 1 by 2. This is the formula of a to the power m into whole to the power n. Then a to the power mn is equal to 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, then the answer is what? 8. I number. Then 2i number given 32 to the power 1 by 5. Which number you multiply? Then here it is 32 to the power 1 by 5. 2 power 5 Yes, you have to multiply 2 to 5 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Whole to the power 1 by 5. Same this formula. This is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. Then the answer is what? 2. Then 3i number. 125 to the power 1 by 3. This is 5 to the power 3. 5 5s are 25 5s are 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Same one formula to solve 3 questions. 3 into 1 by 3. Then 5. Then the second number question, the answer is given what? Question is given 9 to the power 3 by 2. Same thing. 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 by 2. This is 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 2 cancel. Then 2 to the power 3 to the power 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are what? 27. Then next it is given 32 to the power 2 by 5. Yes. Then 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5. Then 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5. 5 5 cancel. 2 to the power 2. What is the meaning of that? 2 to the power 2. 2 is multiplied into 2 times. Then the answer is what? 4. Then 3i number. Question is given 16 to the power 3 by 4. Yes. Then 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 2 it's 4. 2 to the power 3 it is 8. 8 then 2 to the power 4 it is 16. 3 by 4. Then 2 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. Then the question is what? The answer is 2 to the power 3. Then 2 is multiplied into 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. The answer is what? 8. Then IV number 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. This is 5 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Then 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel. Then 5 to the power minus 1. Yes, a to the power minus 1 is equal to what? 1 by a. A to the power minus n is equal to what? 1 by a to the power n. Same thing 5 to the power minus 1. What is? 1 by 5. Yes, this one is the 2 number answers. The next is 3 number. What it is given? Simplify. You solve it out. Simplify. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Which formula you have to apply? A to the power m into a to the power n. Base are same, power is different. Multiplication. A to the power m plus n. Then 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Yes, this is equal to 2 to the power, what is the LCM? LCM is 15. 2 into 5 plus 1 into 3. Yes, this is equal to 2 to the power 10 plus 3 by 15 is equal to 2 to the power 13 by 15. Because 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, then 10 into 3 it is 13 by 15. Yes, then 2i number is given 1 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. Yes, then 1 to the power 7 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. Yes, then this is equal to 1 is multiplied to any times, then the answer is 1. Then this is 3 to the power 3 into 7. 3 into 7 means what? 3 to the power 21. Yes. Next is 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided 11 to the power 1 by 4. Here what is a to the power m divided a to the power n? What is the formula? A to the power m minus n. Yes, then 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. What is the LCM? The LCM is 4. 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1. This is equal to 11 to the power 2 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to 11 to the power 1 by 4. What is 11 to the power 1 by 4? Because here the LCM is 2 and 4, the LCM is 4. Then 2 2s are 4, then 1 into 2 minus 4 1s are 4, 1 into 1. This is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. Yes, then the next question is 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. Yes, then a to the power m into b to the power m. Here power is same but base is different. Then a into b whole to the power m. Then 7 into 8 whole to the power 1 by 2. This is 56 to the power 1 by 2. Yes or no? Clear? Then I have explained to 1.4 and 1.5. 1.3 is the before class. I have already explained that part. Yes. Then now the first chapter is over. Anyone any doubt will ask me in the comment box. Okay. Thank you everyone.